Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into your Changelly account. Well, it's quite easy. First of all, make sure that you have installed it and simply open the application. So after doing that, this is the first page that you will see, from which tap on sign up or login. And after doing that, tap on this login option right here, and all you have to do is simply write down your email address and password. So here you can see I have wrote down my email address and my password. But if you have connected your account with your Google, you can tap on continue with Google, or if you have connected with your Apple ID, you'll have to tap on sign in with Apple ID. Here I have done this. Now all you have to do is simply tap on continue. After doing that, tap on I am human in order for the verification. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully been logged into our account. If you tap on this account icon right here, you can see this is your email address. And just like this, you can log into Changelly account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.